Hi everyone, I'm Charmaine Serrano, and today we're going to dive into George Polya's 4-step problem solving strategy. This method helps us break down complex math problems into manageable parts. To see how it works in action, we apply it to a real world simple interest scenario. But before that, let's define what George Polya's strategy actually is. George Polya was a mathematician who believed that problem solving is a skill you learn by doing. In his book How to Solve It, he outlined four essential steps. The first one is understand the problem. What is asked? Second one is devise a plan. What strategy will you use? Third is carry out the plan. Solve it. And lastly, review the solution. Does the answer make a sense? Next, let's talk about our specific topic, simple interest. Simple interest is the cost of borrowing money calculated only on the original amount you borrowed, the principal. The formula. To find the interest, we use the formula where I stands for amount of interest. P stands for principal or the starting amount. R is the rate of interest as a decimal. And lastly, T, time between the date the loan is made and the date it matures or becomes repayable to the lender, or in years. Now, we're going to apply Polya's 4 steps. Problem. You want to buy a brand new car for 1,200,000 pesos. You decide to take a loan for the full amount at a 4% simple interest rate for 5 years. How much interest will you pay? First, we identify what we know. Our goal is find the total interest paid over 5 years. The principal or P is 1,200,000 pesos. The rate or R is 4% or 0.04 and the time or T is the 5 years. Polya suggests many strategies like drawing a diagram or looking for a pattern. For this problem, our best strategy is to use a formula. We will plug our known values into the simple interest formula. Now, we do the math. Our given is principal is equal to 1,200,000. Our rate is equal to 0.04 and time is equal to 5 years. This is our formula. And now, we're going to solve the problem. Amount of interest is equal to 100,200,000 multiplied by 0.04 multiplied by 5. And now, 1,200,000 multiplied by 0.04 is equal to 48,000. So, the 5, the 48,000, i-multiply natin siya sa 5. Ang magiging sagot is 240,000. So, this is the final answer of simple interest. And finally, we check our work. Thus, 240,000 seem reasonable for a 1.2 million pesos loan over 5 years? Yes, we can also double check by dividing 240,000 divided by is equal to 48,000, and 48,000 divided by 1,200,000 is equal to 0.04. So the math holds up. By using Polya's steps, we did not just guess, we followed a logical path to the right answers. Whether you're buying a car or solving a classroom equation, these four steps are your best tool for success. Thanks for listening.